Wherever you hit them, they're hurting. Basically. Remember, I have Magnum buckshot. Sniper. Yeah, no, I can't buy B20s. I sold all my AP20s. I got 100 of them or whatever as like a quest reward, and I sold them to vendor. Not realizing what I just did after I did it. Until after I did it. Whoops. Magnum buckshot's pretty good though. These guys are probably gonna ambush me. Oh, there's a body right there. Where did he go? He might be up by the stash. Wait, why would he go back where he just came from? He just came from here. You're telling me he came from here to the stash and then back? It came to fuck. Probably a P90 in here. Oh, he found an armor in a stash. Okay, we're full. Good kill. Why does he have P90 mags but no P90? M61s, jeez. That's one. The other guy he killed must have had a P90. And he didn't take it. Or that guy had a P90 on him and I wasn't paying attention. We might be delivering some loot right here to this guy in dorms. Gun's kind of long. I have no clue how to play this. Armor's about toasted. They're literally crossfired. They have a crossfire up there. Okay. Okay. Armor. Thank you. Dude, my gun was getting barrel stuffed everywhere. The right play is pull out the MDR, but I need my shotgun kills. You know? So what I figured I would do is throw a nade right and make that guy hide while the nade is going off and just charge the guy to the left. It's like the only way to do it. Or just don't fight it. We're gonna be done with this armor. He can have his armor back now. These guys should have armor though. Like I didn't fuck their armor up. The hell, he's wearing that helmet? Willingly wearing that helmet? What? Pretty sure that's an AKM with a 50 rounder of a BP in it. Oh, that's PS. Oh, no thank you. I don't know, what's a car battery worth? Yes. I can't swap. I need my spec gear. How does... They both have M1 rigs? Oh, GG, homies. Our battery's 300k right now. Any space. Actually, we could do this. No, I can't do that. What did I do with that tank battery, car battery? Did I drop it on the ground? Oh, there it is. Oh, whatever. Can't like, I mean I could drop the spec gear right for a rate, like not a big deal. I could buy another scav vest. Right, just do that. That's fine, right? I think that's the play. You guys agree? And just try to get out, use this AKM or something. Actually, the shotgun kills still count. Yeah, we just want to get out at this point and restart it. We'll rebuy a... We just got to rebuy a scav vest and a Ushanka. Those are pretty cheap. I just feel like it's worth dropping that shit. We can rebuy it, right? See if we can get a Bitcoin real quick. We have no armor on, by the way. I could swap armors to one of their armored rigs. That might be a better play. Let's go do that. So we don't die to a... It's the same size, except it gives us armor. Which one was better? 54, 52, out of 62, out of 61. Okay, let's just take this one. I think it's the same size. It might be a little smaller. Yeah, it is smaller. Alright, we can prioritize what we take. Cool. And we just drop that. Now we have some armor at least. Fuck, where'd I drop my map? Five water? I don't have anything to drink. That's okay. Not bad for a shotgun. We got 3 shotgun kills there. 2 of them by dorms, which we need dorms kills. So that was huge. I figured I would just fight it to the death with the shotty there. That armor helped us a lot. Luckily, he wasn't shooting BP ammo. If that guy was shooting BP ammo, we die. Luckily, he decided to not use his gifted BP rounds on us. GG. Let's check it out. Leg. Look at, dude, we're left leg meta. Left leg. 1,300 damage. We legged the shit out of him with Magnum buckshot. PS rounds, yep. That armor helped us a lot, and we zeroed that damn thing out. Let's see what we got out of that. So we went in with Ushanka, shotgun, Magnum buckshot. What'd we get? Scav vest. I dropped the Ushanka and scav vest because we can rebuy those for so cheap, and we're done with the raid anyways. Maximize our loot, make a little money out of the raid, because running shotguns is not normally profitable. Normally we're gonna die in those spots. So I think it's worth taking the wins like that. So we got one of the gifted AKMs that they were giving away. We got a car battery. I don't know what these are worth. Someone said like 200 though. Oh yeah, worth 269k. I'm glad I grabbed that. It's worth more than the guns. So we got a car battery. Helmet worth about 40k, 50k. Nice MDR. It's shooting M62s. It's pretty shad. Got that gun, which I don't even have room for. Bunch of shit we don't have room for. Helmet, cool. Fast MT. Actual real fast MT with the trooper mask. This is the guy we legged. We legged them all, so see here. M62s, M62s. Awesome. GG. That was fun. I enjoyed